Trump Care, where the wealthy will get huge tax cuts and the rest of America will pay more for less.
This bill will force Americans to pay more for their premiums, more for their care, more for their medicines, more out-of-pocket expenses and deductibles, all the while giving tax breaks directly to the wealthy.
This is really a tax break bill. That's what this boils down to in many respects.
The super rich are going to be able to buy a lot of things with this new money. One new Lamborghini, 26 Rolex watches, or 44 sets of Super Bowl tickets.
With the Republican plan, people will pay more for less.
Trump Care will take health insurance away from 24 million Americans. That's basically the amount of people that live in the state of Texas.
It's a bill that actually has a big old tax in it called an age tax that makes our seniors pay more.
In effect, you are shifting wealth from Main Street to Mar-a-Lago.
But it's not just about money, it's about people.
Do Americans really think that we should pass a bill that cuts coverage in order to give millionaires an average tax cut of $49,000?
If you can't answer in the affirmative, you should not be voting for this terrible bill.
Instead of throwing 24 million Americans off their coverage, let's work across the aisle to improve health care for all.
I believe passage of this bill would be an act of medical malpractice.
If you're 50 to 64 years old, you and your family get clobbered.
In this bill, there's no concrete plan to help older Americans deal with the rising cost of premiums.
It guts Medicaid and will fail to meet existing needs.
The bill eliminates the Affordable Care Act's requirement that Medicaid cover basic mental health and addiction services.
This bill robs 24 million Americans of health insurance, cheats seniors out of the care that they deserve, imposes higher premiums and higher deductibles on working families, and imposes a crushing age tax on older Americans.
It will affect tens of millions of Americans, take away the dignity of health care, and put them in a place that no one should ever have to be.
This is the ultimate bad deal for the American people, and we should reject this bill.
This is wrong.
Vote no.
Vote no.
Vote no.